Okay, so I'm Kyle and this is Kris.
Hello.
And we're here to talk about the installation we did recently. Okay, Kris, so as I remember, when you and I were talking about what to do here, we had a couple of different things that we were trying to solve, right? For one thing, we wanted to make sure there was future upgradability in case we got to the point where there was two cars. And we wanted to make sure that we had, a good ability to balance load and those kinds of things. So we knew we wanted to use the Juicebox here, and the Juicebox has the ability to throttle down, and you can say like, oh, only use 30 amps or what have you, but it couldn't charge two cars at once. Now we could have gone with Clipper Creek or one of these that do dual chargers, but I didn't want those for various reasons. I wanted to be able to get the graphing and monitoring that Juicebox does. So I remember you came to me and you said, okay, Kyle, what we're going to do here is we're going to put in a sub panel off of your main panel. So how did we do that, and what did that give us?
So basically we have installed the 60 amp sub panel for the future upgrade. Right now you're on the 40 amp breaker only. And you still have a bit of juice for some future stuff that you want to install in the garage or outside.
Yep, for sure.
Really.
For sure, and even if we wanted to put in like a smaller, like 20 amp breaker here, we could do that for even a small level 2 charger that was, sort of a 16 amp charger or something like that.
Yeah, like a regular.
Yep. Yep. We also put in the 14-50 charger, receptacle here. This guy can handle up to 50 amps, is my understanding. The Juicebox tops out at 40, so that's plenty safe. We're supposed to, we're supposed to have like more than what it's actually going to draw, right? Like if this is 40, we need that to be 50, yeah?
Yeah, it can be a 50. Right now we are kind of reduced the load to the 40 or even 30.
30 at this point, yeah. Yep. We wanted to...
It's on the 30, yeah.
You got it. So I guess down the road, what we could do is we could put something like a Neo charger here. Neo charger, of course, adds a 14-50 splitter that does its own load balancing as well. And you could see another charger next to it, but that's not what we're doing today. Today we're just putting in the one. So it's been a great install so far. The Juicebox has been working just fine for my wife and I. We've been happy with it. Obviously the cable is long enough. We can charge when the car is in the garage or when the car is like out on the driveway. It's no problem. And even later, if we end up with two cars and two EVs, we kind of chose to put the charger kind of towards the end of the garage there, so that we could either reach the front or the back of the garage pretty easily. I like the modularity of this. I like the fact that we sort of have this 60 amp panel here that we can do things with and add to and expand if we want without having to draw new cables. Anyway, yeah, so far it's been really working great. So Kris, thanks for working with us on this. Really appreciate it. All right. Thanks, everybody.